Personally, I think being curious, so being up to date with all the recent trends, being very diligent, very well organized.
Integrity ability is also the key to solve the real-world problems, connect different knowledge from finance, AI, or even the coding.
To my part, maybe abilities of grabbing information related to your job searching is more important.
Hi, I'm Sharon from Accounts.
Hello, I'm Liu Yang.
Hello everyone, my name is Iskra, I am from Albania.
I'm very interested in the Fintech. I want to come here to improve my professional knowledge, also develop a global mindset so I come to ZIBS.
I think I was enamored with ZIBS since the beginning, that I wanted to join a program that is combining finance and technology, and I felt that this program just fit with all of these requirements. A lot of classes were very interesting. Financial econometrics first, investments, financial derivatives. This is a real place where you develop yourself and you have a nice time.
For IM program, we always organize some activities to see the finance facilities.
Seminars were extremely interesting. There was a wide range of very inspiring, very highly successful people. They were there to give us directions, to interact with us.
There is a different learning by ZIBS is the work in China, the city exploration in Handy. We visit the local landmark and also try the traditional arts.
We had a lot of chance to bond with other international students. They used to teach us a lot about the local food and about the local customs.
Do not afraid to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes, I think. Make good use of the resources provided in school, like the great faculty, the courses, and sport facilities.
I hope they get to enjoy their time as much as I did. Come here with an open mind, try to interact with everyone. Everything will seem like it's so difficult at the beginning, but everyone here has your back and everyone here is willing to support you.
Maybe to go around out campus because 7 campus are beautiful. Enjoy life in ZIBS, enjoy experiences with international students to have good memory in your student life.